everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, welcome to 2026. Today we are going to be making a herbal spray that we're going to be using as a herbal rinse. So I am going to walk you guys step by step on how to make this. Today we are using basically neem powder, organic neem powder that can be found on Amazon. Herbal mix, which contains a lot of things like green tea, hibiscus, horsetail, fenugreek, and much more. And we are also going to be using horsetail as well. All these things can be found on my Amazon storefront. Everything is going to be measured out using 1 tablespoon, but all the measurements I will make sure to put in the description just in case you are trying to achieve the same exact quantity. Just to keep in mind, this rinse can help soothe itchiness, irritation, it reduces dandruff, it helps with scalp inflammation, it improves the blood circulation to the scalp, which therefore helps you grow healthier hair. After adding everything that you guys are seeing right now into my container, I am going to then add water. I'm going to let this infuse over a long period of time. Now, we always talk about this in this channel. You can let it infuse for a couple of hours, a day, a month, however long. I actually do not recommend that you let it sit for 2 months. But if you're going to let it sit for longer than a couple hours, you should definitely add your preservative. This will in turn ensure that this mixture does not go bad. Imagine using something that has already gone bad on your hair when you're trying to grow healthy hair. Yeah, that's a bad combo. So therefore, to be on the safe side, definitely add your preservative. Some people also choose to add their essential oils during this time, but you can also add it afterwards, after the infusion process. So it's either way it really works, right? So now let's continue. So don't forget to add your preservative. Now you can choose to add your essential oils during this time, or you can wait till after the infusion process. But for the sake of today's video, I am going to go ahead and add my oils. The oils that I'll be using are tea tree oil and of course our peppermint oil. Again, I will make sure that every measurement is in the description box. You guys can use the oils that you feel work best for your hair porosity, but you already know in this channel I enjoy the peppermint oils because they soothe my scalp. One of the main reasons that I am going to be doing this herbal rinse is because I noticed that my hair does shed a lot, and given that I've had this hairstyle for about 2 months, I'm making sure that my scalp is clean, and that is one of the benefits of doing a herbal rinse, because it gently cleanses your scalp without stripping it. It also helps with moisture retention as well as supporting hair growth and thickness. So I am now going to store this in a dark, dry place and just let it infuse for about 2 days. This is what it looks like after 2 days. As you guys can see, the water is darker. One of the reasons why I add essential oils before letting it infuse is because when I use things like neem powder, moringa powder, the smell, right? But when I add peppermint or other essential oils, it helps with the smell. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of neem, especially for a herbal rinse. It fights dandruff and scalp infection. It reduces itchiness and inflammation. It's great for those that have sensitive scalp. It controls excessive oil buildup, product buildup, all of those things. So let the hair wash process begin. So we start off by wetting our hair and going in with the shampoo. I am mainly going to focus on my scalp, especially because I have a protective style. I always wash my hair every 2 weeks, even when I have a protective style in, and I will encourage you guys to do so. So when washing your hair with the protective style in, you want to focus on your scalp. So I am going to massage it in, then I am going to then rinse it out. After rinsing it, I am then going to go in with my conditioner. This time around, I'm not letting my conditioner sit for 5-10 minutes. I'm going to massage it in, then rinse it off immediately. After rinsing it off, I am finally going to go in with the herbal rinse. This rinse is going to be the final step. Afterwards, then you just let your hair air dry. But some people choose to shampoo, do the rinse, and then use their conditioner, whichever way works for you. If you do use neem powder, make sure you add essential oil because the smell is very strong and it has a drying effect. So moisturize your scalp. This brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.